Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel, Highlighted Jamaican-American Art, an art of Jamaican cooking, American power tooling, and much more. Now, you may have seen in one of my shorts how I took these two pieces and glued them into one. Now, gluing them, I could have just simply left them at that, as this wood glue is strong enough. But I'm still going to nail them together for an extra hold. So I'm clamping down my wood piece. That way I can accurately mark where I'm going to hammer the nails in. But before I hammer the nails in, I'm going to drill holes. I'm going to drill in holes to keep the wood, or to keep the nails from splitting the wood. Oh, and I'm going to be using these nails that I'm using. They're 1.5-inch nails. So again, marking where I'm going to drill the hole, and I'm going to do about 2. Actually, you know what? Let me do it this way. So here, 3-inch, and then 5.5. And of course, they got to be, I want to make them in the middle. Which kind of falls under the category when my daddy was teaching me how to use power tools. Measure twice, cut once. Actually, see? Gotta be accurate. Okay. So now I've marked where I'm going to put the nails in. So now I'm going on to the next step. And again, I'm using 1.5-inch nails because the nails need to be long enough that they go into both pieces, but not so long that they come out too far. And I want them to be in evenly. And as you may have seen, I said it earlier, it was my daddy who taught me how to use power tools. Simple ones from drills to sanders to much more major ones like handheld saws, electric saws, radial saws, things like that. Okay, so here's the first one. So now I can hammer these in. You can also screw them in. I'm going to start by hammering. But if I need to screw them in, I'll do that too. Yeah, I think slow but getting there. I'm going to finish up this one, do the next one, and then I'll be back. I finished nailing this nail in, but as I was doing so, it dawned on me. You know what? It'd probably be better to use a flat head. So I'm unscrewing this, taking this one out. And I'm going to be using this flat head instead. It's only an extra ½ an inch longer. It still works. And that way, the bottom will be much more even. Just goes to show, you learn along the way. Okay, see? Much better. So now I'm going to go on to the next one. Okay, I'm going to unplug the drill now if I have to drill again, but I just do it as a safety precaution. So now I'm hammering in the second nail. Okay, now my nailing is complete. Okay, so this portion of my project is finished and I'm ready to go on to the next step, but I'll save that for another time. I just wanted you to see a project that I built with power tools that my daddy taught me how to use. Thanks, Daddy! And thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you have, thank you very much. I hope you return to my channel as by God's grace, I'll be back with more power tool projects and other aspects of hybrid Jamaican American art. Till next time.